Alright, so today we're gonna go work on a car that hasn't been on the channel yet, but it's been around for a little bit. It's TJ's car, so the same guy that had the OBS 7.3, and he's got a couple shovel heads, or I don't know how many he has now. And the Fox body, all those are gone, and now he has this project that's been around and is getting a motor built for it, and now I think it's ready to start going back together. So we're gonna run down there, work on that a little bit, see what gets done. So down here, this is TJ's car. It's I don't really know shit about it. It's a Mercury Zephyr. It's probably like a better thing to ask TJ or John about. I don't know. I don't really know much about LS's or anything, so it's got an engine for it. And a trans over there. But we're gonna try to get some work done on it once John gets here.
I'll send you the TV. And all grade 8.
You want lock nuts for these? No.
Yeah, you can get a lock washer. I should probably even see if we need this. I don't even know if we need it.
There's no point in knowing where you're going. Just gonna blow up anyway.
True.
Then we get the junkyard.
I'm on camera. This is weird.
What?
So I'm on camera. It's weird. Making me nervous.
I can see that you're dropping shit.
I'm just shaking with you.
Go up a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it clear or anything?
Huh?
Clear or anything?
Yeah, maybe just have that header.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Is that mine?
Yeah, I guess so. That's nice. Two more.
Yeah.
I don't know how much.
See ya. Bye.
That's it. Under the master cylinder.
That's not master engine motor too. Wow.
Is that it? You don't have to put that on. Don't put that on yet.
RPD.
Last time that was in one piece.
So, as you saw in the video, we just put the motor in TJ's Zephyr, and that's pretty much it. We got to a stopping point because some of the parts are in other locations, so pretty much it. I'll make a little update video. We actually, a couple things changed. And we got some new plans. And of course, new builds, because I mean, TJ's alone should be pretty sick when it's done. So yeah, subscribe, comment, follow Johnny on Instagram, and yeah, see ya.